friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create bubble plot or bubble graph in Excel. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have the data which I want to plot in the bubble, okay, graph. So here you will see I have 10 different countries, okay, and then all the 10 different countries have a income. Okay, so this section is income, GDP per capita. Okay, this will be plotted in x-axis in the bubble. Okay, and this is life expectancy year in year. Okay, this will be plotted in y-axis, and this is population country wise. Okay, so this will decide the size of the bubble, and this is continent. Okay, and this will decide the color of the bubble. Okay, so let's get started. So now we will select the data which I want to plot in the uh, bubble graph. So I want to plot this population, okay, and income and life expectancy. Okay, now what you have to do here, go to insert, and then here you will see this option, click on it, scattered, and then here you will see bubble. Here you will see two types of bubble. First one is 2D and second one is 3D. So we will select 2D for this particular graph. Okay, so here you will see like this. Now we will sort out the axis. Okay, first x-axis, here you will see it is some for some strange region you will see it is started from minus 10,000. So first we will sort out this x-axis. Okay, so select it, then right click here, then here you will see format axis. Okay, so here you have to just I'm going to adjust it to 0. Okay, minimum value should be 0. Then here maximum value will be 70,000. Okay, so this is adjusted. Okay, now we will sort out y-axis. Okay, you will see there is some blank region. Okay, so to eliminate that blank region, so what you have to do, select this, again right click, format axis, and this will start from minimum value 50. Okay, so now axis is set. Now we will change the name of x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so to change the name or the title of the x-axis and y-axis, what you have to do, select the chart. Okay, then here you will see add chart element, then here you will see axis titles. So now primary horizontal. Okay, now you can change the title. Okay, so in this case this is GDP per capita. Okay, and then again I axis title primary vertical. Okay, now here again this is life expectancy. Okay, now we will adjust the size of the bubble. To adjust the size of the bubble, what you have to do, just choose it, then right click here, and then here you will see format data series. Okay, so here you will see size represents area of the bubble or width of the bubble. Okay, so you can choose either of this. I am just going to choose area of the bubble. Now here you will see scale bubble size, so you can scale the bubble size. Okay, so what you have to do, here you can change it to 150 or 50, whichever you like, but I choose it to 100. Okay, so like this you can change the bubble size. Okay, now we will see how to add data labels to the bubbles. Okay, so to add data labels to the bubble, what you have to do, just select the chart. Okay, here you go into chart design, then here you will see add chart element, then here you will see data labels. Okay, then click on center. Okay, now you will see it is now representing the life expectancy, but we want to represent it the country. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just select this and then right click. Here you will see data label, format data labels. Okay, click on it, then here you will see y values so leaders. So but we have to just click on this value from cell. Okay, click on it, select the label range. Okay, then choose the country name, then okay. Okay, so here you will see this label. Now you will see the country name at the bubble. Okay, now just deselect this y value and so leader lines. Okay, then here you will see label position. Okay, so you can choose center, left, right, or above. You can also adjust it like this one by one. Okay, I want to adjust it like this. So like this you can label data labels on the bubble. Okay, now we will see how to change the color of the bubble. Okay, so we will choose the color of the bubble according to their country's continent. Okay, so first it is India, so it is in Asia. Okay, so you have to double click on it. Okay, so if you single click on the bubble you will choose all the bubbles, but if you double click on the bubbles, okay, so you will choose specifically that bubble. Okay, then what you have to do, go to format, then here you will see save fill, then you can choose the color. Okay, so like this one by one you have to do. Okay, according to the continent. Okay, like this you can choose all these things. Then what you have to do, if you want to change this y-axis and x-axis color, or you want to make it darker, what you have to do, just select this, then here you will see this is fill, then solid fill. Okay, you can do like this, or gradient, picture, whatever you want to do you can do all these things. Then you will see line, solid line. Okay, or transparency, like this you can do all these things. So like this you can create bubble chart or bubble plot in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.